My name is Rudy Griffiths and I'm 26 and I'm working on the production apprentice with Real SFX. I graduated with a degree in English language during lockdown, so probably the worst time to be graduating with anything. Moved down to Cardiff and I've been working as a bar manager for the last 2 years, which, obviously I don't want to be in that industry for too long, sort of knowing that I wanted to be in the sort of film and TV industry. So I've looked for apprenticeships in that sort of way. I think during my time in university I did a lot of film modules. I was lucky to do a few film modules. I did a few script to screen modules, some script writing ones, which really sort of triggered an interest in the film industry. But I wasn't really able to extend that experience or work on that. So I've always had that interest in this industry, just never really found the right sort of pathway in. So I'm happy I've found this apprenticeship. I feel like it's a perfect way to get in from the beginning and sort of work my way up and really sort of learn all the workings of the industry. I think that obviously there's similarities in the way that you're in a learning environment. We've got all our modules pre-planned for us, so definitely it's all set out in that way. But I think this is something so much more advantageous because we're working for companies directly, so we sort of understand what we're working on. We've seen the results of our work. And it's sort of more direct than any sort of university degree can be. I think obviously it sort of gets you in directly to where you want to be ultimately. When I was sort of doing a degree, I kind of chose a subject that was sort of not closing any doors and I was sort of keeping things open. But I would have rather chosen more of a vocational degree or sort of a vocational subject, which I'm glad I'm doing now. So I can almost see sort of myself building a career from this apprenticeship. I can see myself being within this industry for a long career, and I didn't sort of get that from a degree level. I'm sort of happy to be doing it from an apprenticeship level.